Hi, I am Dr. Vipin Tyagi, consultant in the departments of Urology and Kidney Transplant Surgery, Sir Gangaram Hospital, New Delhi, India. Today we will be discussing about the cancer prostate, everything a common person should know about it. And why we want to discuss this thing? Because cancer prostate is something which is not uncommon. It is the second most commonly diagnosed cancer in the male worldwide and the fifth most commonly cancer diagnosed among all the individuals globally. In India, the incidence of cancer prostate is about 9 to 10 patients per 1 lakh of male population, and it causes a significant morbidity and mortality. स्टेज को डिफाइन करने के लिए हमारे पास कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेशंस होती हैं, and majorities of these investigation are radiological investigations, which includes MRI, which includes a recently advanced technology of PET scan, which is PSMA PET scan, which evaluate the presence of cancer prostate from top to down till the toe of nail. And then we have bone scans, and depending on the result of these investigations, we categorize that this particular patient is having which stage of the disease. And according to the stage of the disease, we offer them the treatment. So once the patient has a doubt of having a cancer prostate by virtue of increased PSA or by virtue of examination of the prostate gland by the urologist, he undergo a transrectal prostatic biopsy, and then the patient comes to us in a clinic with a biopsy report which says that this particular person is having a cancer of the prostate gland. We classify the severity of a cancer prostate gland by a score which we called as Gleason score. So if that score is less than 6, it is a low risk disease. If that Gleason score is 7, it is a moderate disease. And if the Gleason score is more than 7, it is a high risk disease. There are various other factors which influence the risk of the cancer prostate, but we are not going into the details of those things. सो बायोप्सी रिपोर्ट में जब हम ये डिफ़ाइन कर लेते हैं कि ये कैंसर प्रोस्टेट है या नहीं है और किस रिस्क का ये कैंसर प्रोस्टेट है, तब हमारे पास नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होता है कि ये किस स्टेज का कैंसर है. एंड फॉर अ लेमैन अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एनी कैंसर कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 स्टेजेस. द फर्स्ट स्टेज, इफ़ द कैंसर इज़ डिफाइंड टू दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गन. सो अगर कोई भी कैंसर प्रोस्टेट के अंदर तक है, हम उसे आम भाषा में बोलते हैं कि ये स्टेज 1 कैंसर है. इफ़ दैट प्रोस्टेट गोज बियॉन्ड द प्रोस्टेट, वी कॉल्ड एज स्टेज 2, और विच इन्वेड इनटू द एडजेसेंट ऑर्गन्स. एंड वी से इट स्टेज 3 इफ lymph nodes, this is the third stage of the spread of the disease, are also involved in the cancer process. And the fourth stage, when the whole body is having the sign or symptoms of cancer prostate. सो हम डिफ़ाइन करते हैं कि क्या हमारा कैंसर प्रोस्टेट स्टेज 1 में है, यानी कि सिर्फ प्रोस्टेट तक कन्फाइंड है, या स्टेज 2 में है, यानी कि प्रोस्टेट के नियर बाई ऑर्गन जैसे सेमिनल वेसिकल्स में इन्वॉल्व है, या स्टेज 3 में है, यानी कि लिम्फ नोड तक पहुंचा हुआ है, या स्टेज 4 में है, यानी कि पूरी बॉडी में पहुंचा हुआ है. और ये इसलिए ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि इलाज डिपेंड इस चीज़ पे करता है कि वो कैंसर किस स्टेज का है. एंड सेम इज़ ट्रू विद द कैंसर प्रोस्टेट, in which the treatment is mainly depends on the stage of the cancer. So this is all about the cancer prostate. If you have any query, any questions, and you understand something more about the cancer prostate, you can directly contact me on any given social platforms. Thanks and have a wonderful day.